Should I say everybody? Should I say hello to all of you? Right, say hello. Okay, hello everybody. Hello everybody. You see, sometimes I'm kind of shy. But most of the time, I don't think I'm shy. When I'm Inday, I don't think Inday is shy. No, I don't think so, because Inday doesn't really care. But anyway, let's not talk about that. I'm just you know, I just wanted to say, because I know that there are people that are questioning, you know, on how to overcome, you know, how to overcome the battle of spirit, right? The battle of spirit. Because the battle of spirit is in your mind. It's not in your heart. Because your heart is love. You know, it's for God. And anything heavy, anything is no good, it means it's not of God, basically. So, the way I learn how to battle of spirit, I think it was because of that time. There was a time that it was because of my grandmother, you know. She passed away. And before she passed away, I already know she was gonna. But I couldn't do nothing, you know, even if I don't go to school. I was the one that was taking care of her. She asked my mother. It was amazing when she asked. I was doing dishes in the kitchen. And then I remember my grandmother even knocked the door. She usually doesn't even knock the door. She just go right straight to the house just to see if the house is clean. That's what our grandmother does. Like, she would go to her daughter-in-law's house. She doesn't knock. She just go in right away and look to the living room, to the kitchen, everywhere to see